Okay, I'm going to change the oil for the first time. I did all of the painting and fixing up and repairs to the Cub. Right there, we got to take this out, drain the oil, and this drains the oil from the oil filter. I got to take this nut out, take this cover off. There's an oil filter in there, but you unscrew this to drain the oil out of the oil filter, and you unscrew that to drain the oil out of the oil pan. So I'll get you set up in a stand and I'll open it up. Okay, I've heated the tractor up, and about 10 minutes I ran it on an auxiliary tank. I'm going to pull the plug, which is a 9/16 open end wrench. I don't know the last time the oil's been changed. I'm going to guess a while. We'll see what happens. Pretty black. While that's draining, I'm going to take this, looks like a wing nut loose. Let me see how nope. Pair of channel locks, see if I can get it open. Turn my pan to cover it. See if we can get this, see what's in here. Nothing. Got a piece of wire. Let's run it up in there. Okay, while that's draining, it's still dripping, I'm going to take this bolt out of the top of the oil filter. It takes a 3/4 inch wrench. I'm going to paint the top of this oil filter before I put it back, the cover before I put it back. I waited to do that until I changed the oil. I haven't seen this bolt. I've seen it online. They say this bolt is hollow, so you don't want to over tighten it when you put it back. There we go. Let's see if it is indeed hollow. And it is. There's the pickup. There we go. I think it's been a while. I would say that's been a while. Okay, I bought a new filter. I'm going to install it. Straight down in there. Now, I have a new gasket. This one's rubber for the top. The other one was paper. That's how long it's been on there. I'm going to go get some oil and come back and fill the oil filter, pre-prime it. Okay, I have some yard sale motor oil. This is some 30 weight non-detergent. I'm just going to use this to fill up and pre-prime the oil filter. Don't over tighten it. Strip it out. Okay. Then put the bolt on. Then put the bolt through the filter. Make sure we get it lined up. Make sure the gasket is lined up. Everything I heard online was you didn't want to over tighten this bolt. You could break it. think we're going to snug it up. I think that's it. I'm going to hit air hose, blow some trash off of it, and hit that with a little bit of paint while it sets up. I'm going to go get some oil. Okay, I've got it reinstalled. Got it primed with some oil. I'm going to go pick up some oil and we'll put some oil in it. It should take 3 quarts. Hadn't decided yet if I'm going to get detergent or non-detergent. But I'm going to go get some oil and I'll be back. Okay, I got the oil changed, got the filter reinstalled. I flushed it out twice with about half a gallon of diesel. I filled up the oil, put 3 quarts of zinc, 30 weight, and we'll crank it up and see if we have any oil pressure. All right, I've got you set up right there. I'm going to start it. Let's see if we have any oil pressure. All right, as you can see, we have full oil pressure, maximum oil pressure at idle. Before it was only about 3 quarters.